freaking 13th of March right now. Let me get in this picture. Look at that.
Look how low they are.
It's 4:47 right now. And look out, 4:47 p.m. Look how dark the sky is right here.
Feel how fucking fast that cloud is moving, dude.
Look at that.
That shit's on calm. I just want to fuck the lightning, dude.
Shut up.
Naughty. Can't even see you, dude. It's so pitch black, dude, out here.
Yeah, we have.
That's about to happen.
Yeah.
That one night we were out.
Somebody turned on the weather machine.
Seriously, it's fucking doomsday.
It was just bright as hell out. The sun was out.
Fucking doomsday.
And then this came in. This all came in. Yeah.
That side's worse. Like straight thick black.
Yeah, that's worse.
Get radar.
The sun's over there, so it's like barely.
There's no. Oh yeah, it's usually bright as fuck out.
Yeah. It's.
Yeah, where's Dave? Dude, the tent's gonna get blown fucking water.
Look at that light. Cool shit though.
So I was like, I read about it. It's a revelation.
That'd be nuts to
Pretty
see like a
crazy
fucking
shit out here.
Tornado.
a lightning to strike right there in the ground.